Deep in the heart of South Okilangi lived the legendary T'Challa's, a.k.a. Plack Bantha. T'Challa's is who the people call the king of Wakanda. Because everyone always asks,
hey, what kind of outfit is that?
Kemat.
It is T'Challa's responsibility to make sure the people of the Mangere Mountains are safe and that the Tarobranium doesn't fall into the hands of the evil North Shorians.
Seka Khan.
T'Challa's?
What brings you here outside your comfort zone?
You know why I've come?
What is he on about, Black Panther?
Ask me who I am.
They don't need to know. Leave or you'll regret ever stepping foot in my hood.
I am Josefa and Evelina's son. His father wanted to 685 savage my mama. And kinder surprise later, here I am. I am T'Challa's half-brother. I am T'Chaka. Whoop, there it is.
Why have you come?
You think I didn't realize that it was you who stole the last Tarobranium and took my mother's Tuinga? Next time, don't leave your skid marks behind.
Damn it. I thought I wiped it.
Now I've come to challenge you and reclaim my mother's Tuinga and take back the last Tarobranium and take it back to the Naughty North.
You'll never defeat the Black Panther.
I have no time for this.
What's wrong? Huh? Are you scared? Huh? Is the king of South Okilangi sacking it? Are you T'Challa's of me?
I accept your challenge.
Well. Looks like we have a challenge on our hands. Taka Khan, are you ready?
Ready!
Black Panther, are you ready?
I am ready.
Let the challenge begin!
Who's the winner? Who's the winner?
The winner is none of you. That's right. According to the new legislation, none of you live here in Samoa. None of you have the right to own and wear that Tuinga. Hey you, can you grab that Tuinga and send it back home where it belongs?
Back where you belong!
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Don't be a fiapoko like these two and take what's not yours. Cheers.